Hello everybody, this is Lance here at Transwest Truck Trailer RV. Today I have the very special privilege of bringing you a brand new 2024 Dutch Star that we just got in. Beautiful inside and out. We're just running it through the PDI process right now. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this nice modern design paint job. And as we take a look out here, you can see they got the power window awning package. We do have the side mounted TV. We'll take a look at that here real quick. Okay, so this is the exterior Samsung TV here with the Bose sound bar. One of the things I really like here is this switch. If you're playing dash radio, you can actually play the music that's on your dash, and just to switch it over to the TV. No complicated software, just a nice easy switch. And you do get a nice 110 outlet with some USB ports. Alright, let's take a look at the basement here. Got a really nice chrome package here down here at the bottom with the chrome handles. Now as we open this up, this is pre-wired, so you can get a basement freezer in there with 110 and DC current. We did equip this with slide trays. They come out really easy. Nice big storage in here. A lot of room. Of course, built on the Star Foundation. Stands for strong, true, and robust. And these doors close so much easier than the older style Dutch Stars. We do have a central vac system here. You can clean your basement out if you want. And like this little tool tray here. Alright guys, quick peek for the outside. Let's go see what we got going on the inside. Alright guys, well welcome to the inside of this 2024 Dutch Star 4369 model. This is going to have the toffee glazed matte finish maple cabinets, and it has the Canalina decor. Take a quick peek here. Just absolutely gorgeous. I love the mix of the fabric with the wood grain. Just so rich and very clean looking. Just a nice clean line. I like the mix of fabrics. I like the dual cushion here on the back, so you can see a little bit of wood there on the chair. I think Newmar just did a great job with this floor plan. Of course, one of the things that makes the Dutch Star so appealing is the no carpet here on the slide out. Another thing that I like that Newmar has done here is they've actually added this digital display. It really makes it nice for just checking tank levels, checking out your power, your status, controlling your automatic gen start, turning on your heated tile floors. As you can see, you do have 3 zones, opening up your vents. The HVAC fairly clearly labeled. You do have living room, kitchen, bedroom, so 3 zones there as well. You can pair this with your phone to do Bluetooth, and then just control them with different lighting functions. So we got some really nice closet space here at the foot of the bed. Of course, both of these will light up. Yeah, really nice set of drawers down below, and a beautiful king bed. You do have some overhead cabinet storage here. Now what Newmar does is they do put an outlet up there, so you can hook up a CPAP, and just underneath you can see it's got a knockout on both sides of the bed, so you can run your hoses through. I love what they've done here with the ceiling. Just that attention to detail, all the intricate work, just the molding and time that it takes to have this level of fit and finish. Just exquisite. As we walk into the bathroom, one of the nicest bathrooms in the RV industry, you're going to have this beautiful shower. I love this design. This really big overhead shower faucet, and we just winterized this so we don't want it leaking fluid all over. It does have the aquamizer for water conservation. Got a nice little set of shelves here and a really nice big closet, and you can see that we do have a safe back here with some extra shelving. We got the built-in shoe garage there. And I just like this cathedral style ceiling. You can see where they've arched the crown molding. Just a nice tight finish. And this beautiful dual vanity here. Really nice medicine cabinets with a power outlet. And then we do have this washer and dryer. I do like the location of it, because as it's coming out of the dryer, you can throw it right on the bed, get things folded up, throw it right into the drawers, and hang it right in the closet. Alright guys, well that does it. This is a quick peek here for the 4369 Dutch Star. If you guys are interested in this model, feel free to give me a call. You can reach me at 208-290-5750. I look forward to hearing from you.